Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that has increased in value within the last year. This just goes to show how important and rewarding real estate investments are. Located in the south of the community of Coral Spring Village, Falmouth, Trelawny, is this grand and stylish two-story family home. The structure consists of 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, of which half is incomplete. The space can be converted into a duplex or a large family home and is a great option for a vacation home or income earner. The property is situated on a beautifully landscaped corner lot with a huge entertainment area on the roof with a jacuzzi tub. Coral Spring Village is gated with 24-hour security on the outskirts of Falmouth, ideally located, being approximately 35 minutes from Sangster's International Airport and close to major amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.